About to make a mistake. Too much eating today. Nature Valley Lunchbox Granola Bars, double chocolate flavor. Got this under $2 at Superstore. It is 6 grams of sugar per bar, 90 calories. What's the first ingredient? Whole grain rolled oats. Never had one of these before. Can smell the chocolate. Yeah, it's not dark chocolate, but it's got cocoa powder and another cocoa in there, so that's what's giving it dark chocolate flavor, but it's not dark chocolate. And yeah, kind of smell. Anyways, you think maybe it'd be a chewy bar. I mean, it's chewy, but it's firm chewy, it's not soft chewy. Okay. I like the taste. Would I buy it again? Yeah, on sale.